Kraven the Hunter, 2024, a savage new chapter in the Spider-Verse. Get ready to enter the wild side of the Spider-Man universe with Kraven the Hunter, the latest Marvel antihero movie set to hit theaters in 2024. Starring Aaron Taylor Johnson in the titular role, this film promises a raw, intense, and R-rated journey, giving us a closer look at one of Spider-Man's most complex and ruthless foes. Plot synopsis. The film starts with a flashback to Kraven's childhood in Russia, where he and his brother Dmitry Smerdakov, later known as the Chameleon, are trained by their brutal father. Sergei grows up in the harsh wilderness, learning to hunt and survive in unforgiving conditions, shaping his ruthless personality. In the present day, Kraven is introduced as a charismatic yet savage hunter who sees himself as a protector of the natural order, targeting those who threaten the balance of nature. His latest mission, however, brings him back to New York City, where he faces his greatest challenge yet, a series of mysterious creatures appearing in the urban jungle. These creatures seem to be experiments linked to a powerful corporation, Oscorp. Kraven's investigation leads him into a violent confrontation with Alexei Sitsevich, better known as the Rhino, played by Alessandro Nivola, a formidable opponent who tests Kraven's strength and cunning. Along the way, Kraven is forced to confront his own dark nature and the possibility that he's no longer just hunting animals but becoming one himself. Cast: Aaron Taylor Johnson as Kraven the Hunter, Sergei Kravenov, a brutal yet charismatic hunter obsessed with proving he's the best. Russell Crowe as Nikolai Kravenov, Kraven's domineering father, whose harsh upbringing shapes Sergei's violent instincts. Ariana DeBose as Calypso, a mysterious witch and love interest of Kraven, who introduces him to mystical powers and rituals. Fred Hechinger as Dmitry Smerdakov, the Chameleon, Kraven's half-brother, a master of disguise, whose loyalty and intentions are shrouded in secrecy. Alessandro Nivola as the Rhino, Alexei Sitsevich, a deadly adversary enhanced by Oscorp's experiments, clashing with Kraven in a brutal showdown. Key scenes and highlights. Savage origins. The film opens with a visceral hunting sequence in the Russian wilderness, where a young Kraven faces off against a ferocious bear, showing his raw, animalistic instincts. The urban jungle. Kraven's hunt shifts from the wild to the concrete jungle of New York City, where he scales skyscrapers and stalks his prey from the shadows. We see a grittier, more violent New York, far removed from the colorful Spider-Man movies. Battle with the Rhino. One of the standout moments in the trailer is the intense face-off between Kraven and the Rhino, a destructive fight that tears through the streets of New York. It's a no-holds-barred battle, showcasing Kraven's tactical brilliance and the raw power of the Rhino. Calypso's ritual. Calypso introduces Kraven to an ancient ritual, giving him access to mystical powers that enhance his hunting abilities. We see Kraven experiencing hallucinations and visions of his future prey, hinting at a supernatural element. The hunt begins. The trailer ends with Kraven standing atop a skyscraper, overlooking the city. He pulls out a large, razor-sharp spear and whispers, "No beast, no man, nothing escapes the hunter." The screen cuts to black as we hear the roar of a distant lion, blending into the sound of Kraven's laugh. Visual style and tone. The movie has a gritty, R-rated edge, unlike any other Marvel film so far. The action is visceral, with intense fight scenes that don't shy away from violence. The cinematography blends the wild, natural landscapes of Kraven's past with the urban chaos of New York City, creating a stark contrast that mirrors Kraven's dual nature, part savage beast, part sophisticated hunter. Villains and connections. While Rhino is the primary antagonist, the film drops several hints about Oscorp's involvement, suggesting ties to the larger Spider-Man universe. The appearance of the Chameleon also sets up potential storylines for future films, teasing a possible Sinister Six team-up. There's also a brief, cryptic scene where Kraven discovers a newspaper clipping about a vigilante in New York, a subtle nod to Spider-Man without directly showing him, keeping the mystery intact for fans. Tagline: In the wild, only the strongest survive. Why it's a must-watch. A fresh take on a classic villain. This isn't your typical superhero movie. It's a character-driven, action-packed exploration of a man who straddles the line between hero and monster. R-rated action. The film promises intense, brutal action scenes, offering something new for fans of the Marvel Universe. Expanded Spider-Verse. Hints and Easter eggs throughout the movie suggest deeper connections to upcoming Marvel projects, making this a must-see for fans eager to explore more of the Spider-Man rogues gallery.